Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So this guy looks like a strange nickname with numbers and stuff, a bit random. His Blitz 1526. His 5 minutes been Qe2 Ng4. He hasn't played that many. Anyway, let's play a Smith-Morra gambit. Okay, am I going to get murdered if I play a Smith-Morra gambit? Should I play with f4 or knight f3? I'll try it with f4. He's played 12 games in total and he's now Qe2 Ng4. So it's a bit scary actually. d5 is counter gambiting already. Is this just a good position for black? What if I play this, trying to just keep a bind on things? Am I just a pawn down for nothing? I'm just trying to say that I've got a space advantage. Is it worth a pawn? Perhaps not. Bishop c5. Okay, I'm in big trouble. Is this going to be painful, basically? Bishop d2, castle queenside. How painful is this going to be? And has he got knight h2? I thought he had knight h2 maybe for g3.
Check.
Maybe g3 after. Whoa! Bishop d2, knight e3. Doesn't look very friendly. Can I play a3 and b4? It's getting a bit interesting, the position. Oh, he's got queen b3 on the cards as well now. I get to play b4 for bishop b2. Have I got too many weaknesses? Bishop d2, have I got far too many weaknesses? Is he just going to play knight e3?
Check.
Yes. And if I play rook e1, do I get murders at knight d4? Let's see. Knight d4. Oh boy. There's knight takes b4 possible, almost. Oh, he's got bishop a4 coming up. Oh, that doesn't look good. Bishop a4 seems to be winning an exchange, if nothing else.
Check.
This does not look good. Knight b3 winning an exchange.
Check.
Do I play on from here? I mean, it's the exchange down in a 5-minute game. Pretty serious. B5, bishop a3. I get even in more trouble. Or maybe knight c5 and taking the bishop b5. Is knight c5 possible? That will trap if he takes knight. Okay. Didn't fall in for that. Funny enough. Yeah, it seems to have totally refuted my pet line, my early f4 line. Okay, bishop check. Hang on a sec. Bishop check. Am I being overly negative here? Or is it actually as bad as it seems? Knight d4. Try to get the knights to do stuff. Maybe f5. If I get to play f5, would that be at all dangerous? Or rook a3 here. Hold on a sec. Rook a3. King c7, rook a7. because his king's not in an ideal place. The rook is not being used that much at the moment. There's something like oh yeah, that kind of evicts things. Yeah, I think it's just winning lots of material. Oh dear, I seem to have got meshed in this one, and this newcomer absolutely slaughtered. All my pieces are hanging now. Yeah, all my pieces are hanging. I think I give up here. So much for my f4, but we'll have a look at the d5 thing for a moment. Maybe the whole thing is unplayable. Just have a look at the d5 thing. E6, d5. Looks as though black's better. This might be just an immediate better than anything that anyone's played. Like even John Nunn, I think I had better opening, but d5 just seems to be better for black. It's a good counter gambit, is it?
Check.
Yeah, this looks pretty strong because my bishop's locked in. It looks like a pretty good refutation of my whole f4 line, actually. To be honest, I'm not sure I should play this given this line exists. It's not particularly good. Yeah, okay, that was a very, very good response, it seems. Unless I'm missing something here. Oops. Yeah, bishop c5 is black's just better. Did he have knight takes h2? I thought knight takes h2 was on, yeah, because of queen h4. Yeah, it's already gone. I think I've got to give up this line. Doesn't seem very solid. Got weaknesses everywhere.
Check.
Yeah, knight d4 was pretty good for bishop a4. Bit of a slaughter.
Check.
Yeah, it's just winning the exchange. Bishop d5, why not?
Check.
Yeah, the king just goes over there.
Check.
It's pretty much over. Yeah, it's pretty much over. But yeah, it looks as though I was just worse in the opening as well, immediately after f4. Just e6. It seems like a very good idea. e6. e6 and d5. It just seems so logical, actually, coming to look at it now. And if knight takes d5, yeah, bishop e6. So it seems like I've got so many weaknesses here. This is not the sort of position to play. It's just full of weaknesses. Forget this. This might be the last time I ever play f4 in this line. Blimey. Oh, Gordon Bennett. f4. Thought I was being clever with f4. Now this looks like a fantastic reaction to it. Just e6 and d5. It looks as though black's clearly better here. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.